Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another very beautiful video collection of hand embroidery designs for dresses. All of these very beautiful, easy to make, creative and designer style patterns of hand embroidery are totally inspired by one embroidery stitch, that is Kutch work, Sindhi embroidery and Gujarati jama or Gujarati silai. Different type of names have been attributed to this one simple, beautiful, pretty and traditional style of embroidery pattern. Yes friends, you have heard me right. South Indian, different Eastern Western mixture, culture based designing ideas are totally in this video collection. And Kutch is the embroidery style or the embroidery pattern which is being liked by most of the YouTube friends and family members on my channel. So I thought to make a very beautiful, creative, and tree type video collection of Kutch work so that they could be mesmerized and they could get amazing and trendy ideas of Kutch work. So all my requests are that do try these ideas. These are very beautiful and pretty patterns for blouse embroidery, for embroidering your kurti, kameez, and any type of tops that you want to wear. For getting more beautiful, creative, and amazing results, I would recommend you to use the exact color combination of threads along with the exact color of fabric base, which is being shown to you into different designs. Some brighter shades like red, maroon, cherry red, and different shades of pink, maroon, magenta, and shocking have been shared. So all these bright colors give a very cool view, especially during the summers. So this is a very beautiful and funky treat for summer dress designing as well. I would recommend you to try these patterns. And in the comment section, share your choice that which design you like the most and why. And one more thing, guys, we never intend to reclaim someone else's work as our own. Our basic motive of making videos and design ideas and collections of videos with you is to share amazing, trendy, and beautiful ideas so that you can get different perspectives of handwork, hand art, thread work,